Hello and welcome back. In this step-by-step tutorial, you learn how to turn off vibrations on your iPhone. And why is this important? Well, if you're an office personnel, it helps to eradicate disruptive notifications while you're at work. And if you're a YouTuber like myself, turning off vibrations can help to stop any notifications from popping up while you work or probably recording a video and you need serene environment. Turning off vibrations can really help. So let's get right into it. And before we get started, if you're new here and you find this tutorial helpful in any way, consider subscribing for more useful content. Let's get started. Open up settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. This option allows you to manage all sounds and haptics effects on your phone. Haptics are vibrative effects. In sounds and haptics, to ensure that we turn off all vibrations, we are going to toggle off all haptics. Congratulations, by doing this you have successfully turned off all vibrative feedback on your iPhone. Remember, subscribing to our channel ensures that you stay up to date with latest tech tutorials and tips. Good luck and thanks for watching.